On September 10th, 1846, the first American sewing machine was patented. Invented by Massachusetts inventor Elias Howe, Jr., the Howe sewing machine used a special lock-stitch design, which Howe invented himself. Although Howe was not the first to conceive of a sewing machine, he was the first to have his design patented. Howe struggled to receive significant endorsement for his sewing machine in America, and only enjoyed moderate investment in England. After returning to the US, Howe found that other manufacturing companies were selling their own sewing machines, and one inventor in particular, Isaac Singer, was using the same style of lock stitch which Howe had invented. Howe entered into a 5-year legal battle defending his patent, which he eventually won and received significant royalties from Singer.